Would you believe that I went back to school? Yes, balik-aral po tayo, and I took it up at University of the Philippines, Open University. Ang UPOU, they offer courses online na pwede kang mag-aral, and mura lang yung gagastusin mo. It's 5,500 pesos. I'm not so sure with the other courses but so far right now, dalawa na kasi yung courses na nakuha ko doon. Yung NEP, New Entrepreneurial Program. Yan yun. And then right now I am taking up digital marketing. So I find those courses helpful kasi sa business, we attempted to open a business na hindi pa natuloy, and I created nagamit din yung ginawa nating business proposal, yung kung paano magsimula ng business and all that. And ngayon, digital marketing, the reason why I took it, feeling ko kasi this is not feeling, I believe that it is very helpful sa social media natin, na especially content creators tayo. Kasi apart from doing contents, we also wanted to know how the landscape of marketing goes through with our work, with our passion. Kasi of course kailangan natin mag-business para lang hindi lang magamit natin yung kasikatan, kung ano man yung kasikatan, like selling merch, 'di ba? So sikat, nothing wrong na pagsikat kasi pag known ka kasi and you have the good reputation, people would follow you, and then meron yang gusto mag-support sa inyo. So hopefully soon we'll be doing a merch, and of course a restaurant na matagal na naming pinangarap, and magagamit natin yan, digital marketing na yan. And it's timely kasi lahat na ngayon digital, di ba? So social media, online na lahat. So magagamit natin yan. So if you're interested, comment down below kung paano ko in-apply. Mura lang siya, and I'm not so sure with the other courses but etong course na to, it's 5,500 pesos. So it's very useful sa lahat ng mga OFW na may plano mag-progress at mag-develop sa skills nila. So that's 11th day of our 30-day challenge. Let me know if you're interested. I'm going to guide you kung yung mga links na yan. Yeah. Or i-post ko na lang siguro. Pero let me know. Stay cool, stay safe, stay blessed, and peace. Amping mo.